Welcome to my YouTube channel Car Zone. Today we are taking a closer look at one of the most significant advancements in United States defense technology, the LGM-35A Sentinel, a new generation intercontinental ballistic missile system entering service in 2025. The Sentinel is designed to replace the aging LGM-30 Minuteman III, which has been in operation since the 1970s. With rising global tensions and the modernization of nuclear forces by other nations, the U.S. has invested heavily in ensuring its land-based nuclear deterrent remains credible, reliable, and capable of countering evolving threats. The LGM-35A Sentinel is a product of years of development under the Ground-Based Strategic Deterrent Program, offering modern engineering, digital systems, and long-term sustainability that the older Minuteman missiles simply could not provide. The LGM-35A Sentinel is not just a missile. It is an entire weapons system built to serve well into the middle of the 21st century. Designed as a three-stage, solid-fueled intercontinental ballistic missile, it has the range to reach targets anywhere on Earth with pinpoint accuracy. It features upgraded guidance systems, improved propulsion, and cutting-edge security features to protect against cyber and electronic warfare threats. Another major advantage of the Sentinel is its modular design, which allows for easier maintenance and the integration of future upgrades as technology advances. This makes it far more sustainable than its predecessor, which required extensive maintenance and updates just to remain operational. The Sentinel is also intended to be deployed in hardened silos across the United States, ensuring survivability against potential first strike attacks. While exact specifications remain classified, it is clear that the Sentinel will significantly enhance America's nuclear deterrence capabilities, ensuring peace through strength. Now, when it comes to the cost, the LGM-35A Sentinel represents one of the largest defense investments in modern history. The total program is projected to cost over $100 billion through its development and deployment phases, with the unit cost per missile estimated to be around $100 million. This may seem staggering, but when you consider the importance of nuclear deterrence in maintaining national security, the investment is considered essential. The Sentinel program also ensures thousands of jobs across the United States, supporting advanced engineering, manufacturing, and maintenance industries. By 2025, the first LGM-35A Sentinel missiles are expected to become operational, with full deployment planned over the coming decades to completely replace the Minuteman III fleet. For the United States, this system is not only about military power, but about ensuring stability and preventing conflict through the strength of its nuclear arsenal. The LGM-35A Sentinel is a reminder that technological superiority and preparedness remain central to national defense. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed learning about the Sentinel missile and its price, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Car Zone, and stay tuned for more deep dives into advanced defense technology.